Welcome to week 6, my friends. We're getting through with this course, aren't we? This week you only have one assignment. It's due on Friday. It's the draft of your works cited page. This is the week, as I say in the introduction right here, this is the week when you will complete most of your research for your final essay. I just want on Friday an approximation of what you think your sources will end up being. We only have weeks 6, 7, and 8, 3 weeks left. 6, we're going to do the works cited page, your research. Next week, we will do your rough draft, and week 8, we will do your final paper, your final research paper. Now, I don't expect this to be, as I said, the final compilation of all your sources. You can add and subtract as much as you want. What I want to be sure about by Friday, so that you have plenty of time to add more if you need to, that you have ample number of sources for your paper and that they are credible. So that's what you need to do. This assignment is worth 40 points, and approximately 20 of them will be for the credibility of your sources, how good the sources are, and approximately 20 points will be for the formatting. We have been doing formatting all term, and I have corrected your format. I have given you plenty of information. If you look down here, I have so many formatting your works cited page. I have so many things here for you. I've even written a little book for you, a textbook for you. So look at it, see, it's time that you get credit for doing the appropriate formatting for this paper. This also gives me a chance before you do your rough draft for me to suggest other sources for you, or to tell you that some I don't think are that good. Remember, you're trying to find sources on both sides of your argument, and let me know if I can help.